Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garages videos. Um, well, I did that one 79 Camaro video you probably watched before this one. So I thought I'd go about, because me and my brother were having a conversation Monday about what the differences are between the different trim packages on the 69 Camaro, between the RS, SS, and Z28, all them. So I don't have a RSSS in my collection, but I have a Z28 and I have a Yanko SC. So together with you guys riding along with me here, we're going to look at the differences between the Yanko SC 427 Coupe and a 69 Camaro Z28. Alrighty. From looking at what we have kit-wise, we have a similar body. Similar body on this one also. Let's see. I'm trying to see if there's any differences. And we have we have that piece. That's the interior and suspension stuff. An engine. Yep, similar on that. And we got chassis and more seats and suspension. Okay. All right. Hang out with me, guys. Here. We got same there. Okay, so this one's supposed to have the 427 big block in it. And that looks like the 427 big block on the Yanko kit. Okay. And looks like the 302 by Chevy. So that's one big difference right there. And we have the exhaust and grill insert for the Yanko one. So that looks, so far that's similar, I'm going to say, but not. Yeah, it's not. Oh, it is. Got the same tree right here. Same plastic, same chrome grill right there. So similar on that part. And we have interior hood and firewall areas. Same with the interior hood and suspension stuff. Okay. All right. And tires look the same. Each one has their two sets of tail lights. And this one has the custom mag wheels on it. And two carburetors that come with it. And the big block valve covers. Okay. There's the tail lights for this one, two sets, of course. Then we have the the Z28 grill right there. The grill, with the slotted headlights, I guess they call them. You guys can tell me what they are. And this one also comes with the large and in charge custom wheels. And these are the tires for the large and in charge wheels. Okay, now let me put the rest of these. So for the decals, we have for the Yanko 427 kit SC, we have the decals that go with that package. And for the Z28 custom Motor City one, we have the stripes and the normal Florida decals this one comes with, plates. So that's the difference between these kits, basically the wheels and the decals. So hope you guys enjoyed that short little Camaro unboxing. All right, have a good day, guys. Bye.